Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can enable back or how you can get back the Hibernate button. If you have Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 they all work the same. All what you will have to do, you'll have to locate your control panel. So you'll have to go to your search tab and you look for control panel and you open it. So if you have a different view than this one or the window looks a bit different, make sure that you select view by category. You might have large icons which looks different and small icons also. Just make sure that you get category and you go to system and security and you click on power options. And from power options you will select choose what the power buttons do. And here we will select change settings that, sorry, let's go back. It was too fast. Change settings that are currently unavailable. You will click on it. And from here, you will select Hibernate and you will click Save Changes. And before you close it, you just go and check on your menu and you check on the power button if you have the option Hibernate back. If it's the case, then you just close it. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you are still needing help or assistance, you can always contact us by message or by comment. If you would like to encourage us, please press like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to get our latest video. Talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.